I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the clip into Inshot and isolating the shaky portion so you don't waste processing on extra footage. Open a new video project, import the original, and trim to the exact range you'll fix. Once done, make sure the clip's frame rate and resolution match the export settings to avoid additional resampling. Now lock playback to a preview quality that's smooth enough to judge stabilization, and proceed to the Effects menu to find the only built-in steadiness option you'll use. You apply the Stabilize effect and then calibrate it. Tap Effects, pick Stabilize or Shake Reduction, and set intensity low at first, around 20 to 30%, so you can see how much motion is corrected versus crop introduced. Once you see improvement, raise intensity gradually. Dramatic settings can cause warping, so balance smoothness with natural motion. Make sure to enable a slight zoom or use the crop slider to remove black edges created by the algorithm. This keeps the frame filled and looks professional. You finish by exporting a short test clip at your intended resolution and frame rate to verify results before committing. If you notice warping or unnatural stretching, dial back the Stabilize intensity and re-export. If artifacts persist, split the clip into smaller segments and stabilize selectively to avoid overprocessing. If the shake is extreme, your final recourse is reshooting with stabilization hardware or using a dedicated desktop stabilizer. Only use that if Inshot's single built-in method can't produce a clean result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.